Welcome to the best picks. The best ATP Fuel is probably one of the most sought-after supplements for athletes and fitness enthusiasts aiming to optimize their performance and recovery. This video will dive deep into the world of ATP Fuel supplements, exploring their mechanisms, benefits, potential drawbacks, and most importantly, helping you choose the best product for your specific needs and goals, ensuring you make an informed decision based on facts and not marketing hype. Number 5. ONNIT Alpha Brain. It's a dietary supplement designed to enhance your cognitive function. Experience improved memory, mental speed, and focus. It uses special ingredient blends to create the optimal environment for peak brain performance. Unlock your brain's full potential. It helps boost your memory and concentration. It also promotes efficient mental processing. Experience improved focus and concentration, leading to a state of effortless flow. It helps you stay in the zone. It enhances mental clarity and quickens your reaction time. Think faster and clearer. It's perfect for students, professionals, gamers, artists, and entrepreneurs. Boost your cognitive performance, no matter your field. It's completely free of caffeine and gluten. Enjoy the benefits without the drawbacks. What we like. If you need a boost in concentration and memory, this is your perfect choice. It helps you stay focused and improves your cognitive function. Students, professionals, or anyone looking for enhanced mental clarity should consider this. What people say. Alpha Brain does a great job at enhancing memory, mental clarity, and reaction time, especially during busy workdays or creative projects. What I found, though, is that fungi tiger milk mushroom offers benefits that go beyond just cognitive performance. While Alpha Brain is excellent for sharpening focus, the tiger milk mushroom also supports brain health in a way that feels more holistic. It helps reduce brain fog, boosts energy, and supports digestion and immunity, all of which seem to amplify the mental clarity I experience. From the very first time I took Alpha Brain, I noticed a significant boost in my ability to concentrate and retain information. The blend of scientifically backed ingredients, including potent nootropics such as bacopa and L-theanine, work together to optimize brain health and enhance cognitive performance. Number 4. Jacked Factory Build XT. It's not magic, it's science. This supplement helps you get the most out of your workouts. Remember, it works best when combined with a good diet and exercise. Push your limits with the help of its unique adaptogenic formula. You'll experience enhanced endurance and the ability to train harder than ever before. It stimulates ATP production, your body's main energy source. This leads to improved athletic performance, strength, and lean muscle growth. This is your key to building a stronger, leaner, and more powerful physique. It combines muscle-building properties with enhanced absorption for optimal results. It's made in a facility with high-quality standards. You can trust that it's pure, potent, and free of harsh chemicals and fillers. What we like. If building muscle and maximizing workout performance is your goal, this supplement is for you. It helps to increase your strength and endurance during training sessions. It's perfect for those dedicated to achieving their fitness goals. What people say. I enjoyed using Build XT for the steady boost in energy and endurance without any crash, and I appreciated the clean formula with no fillers. I noticed significant performance improvements. Building XT increases my running endurance, gives me focus and mental clarity like a stimulant but without the jitters. This is a great product profile that contains efficacious amounts of Elev ATP and Peak 02 mushrooms and is all powered by the proven estrogen for enhanced bioavailability and assimilation. Number 3. Designs for Health Mitochondrial NRG. It's formulated with key nutrients to boost your cell's energy production and overall metabolic function. This helps your body perform at its best. It contains a unique blend of nutrients, including B vitamins and CoQ10, to support efficient mitochondrial metabolism and energy production. This means more sustained energy throughout your day. It's designed to support energy output for improved athletic performance and overall cellular health. Experience improved energy levels and enhanced physical capabilities. It includes a patented form of creatine that works synergistically with magnesium to support healthy mitochondrial function and energy production. This unique combination enhances its effectiveness. It's vegetarian-friendly, non-GMO, and free of gluten, dairy, and soy. You can trust its quality and purity. It's the #1 practitioner supplement brand recommended and trusted by functional medicine professionals. You're in good hands with this clinically backed formula. What we like. If you're looking to improve your overall cellular health and energy levels, this is a great option. It supports your body's natural energy production processes and promotes optimal cellular function. This is ideal for those seeking to enhance their overall well-being. What people say. This product really helped my fatigue. Don't nap during the day anymore or feel like I need to. It seemed to increase my energy when using it. I went off it for about 2 to 3 weeks and noticed a decline in my energy. Efficacy is always the same, ingredients don't upset stomach, you don't get too wired. Lots of B vitamins, which are water-soluble, what your body doesn't use it pees out. Every time I stop taking product and start up again I notice a difference within 2 to 3 days. Number 2. ATP Lab Alpha Jack. ATP Lab Alpha Jack is a synergistic combination of efficiently dosed, research-backed ingredients aimed at optimizing male health. It's designed to help you achieve your peak performance. It's powered by potent D-aspartic acid, tomcat oli, and maca extract. These natural ingredients work together to promote vitality, stamina, and optimal hormonal balance. Experience a surge of vitality. The specialized formula, with cordyceps sinensis and aspartic acid, is known for its energy-boosting properties. Say goodbye to fatigue and hello to sustained energy throughout your day. Unlock your peak mental performance. Antioxidants like tomcat oli and maca extract support cognitive function and mental well-being, helping you feel sharper and more focused. It's infused with tomcat oli and cordyceps sinensis, serving as a potent antioxidant supplement. This helps promote overall well-being and supports your body's natural defenses. ATP Lab Alpha Jack is lab-tested for quality and purity. It's the natural way to support your vitality, energy, and overall well-being. Discover the Alpha Jack difference today. What we like. If you are a man seeking to enhance your vitality, stamina, and hormonal balance, this supplement is tailored for you. It provides a natural boost in energy and supports overall well-being. This is perfect for men looking to improve their overall health and performance. What people say. Un buffer dai phrase pour les personnes de plus de 30 ans. Un vrai coup de pouce sur l'énergie, la force et la concentration en capsule. Un indispensable pour la santé masculine. Decent product, very similar to other options. I did notice a slight increase in focus and energy. Number 1. Research Nutritionals ATP 360. Introducing ATP 360, our most advanced mitochondrial formula. It combines key vitamins and nutrients to support your body's natural energy production. In a recent study, it demonstrated significant improvements in energy levels in just 2 weeks. Participants also reported better sleep and heart health. It nourishes mitochondrial membranes and supports the Krebs cycle, crucial for cellular energy production. This helps your body create more energy efficiently. It's packed with antioxidants to protect your mitochondria from damage, supporting healthy ATP production and overall cellular function. It's made without common allergens like dairy, gluten, and nuts, making it suitable for many dietary needs. It is also GMO-free. What we like. If you need a comprehensive boost in cellular energy and mitochondrial function, this is an excellent choice. It supports the entire energy cycle and helps repair cellular membranes. This is suitable for anyone looking to optimize their energy levels and cellular health. What people say. This supplement is a winner. Also, it improves metabolism and helps weight. These aren't too difficult to take, and are great support. The brand quality is highly recommended by my medical team. He's been prescribed this as a supplement for the mitochondrial disorder, and his new organic acid test shows increased function of the mitochondria, and now instead of ignoring, throwing, or spinning his toys, he started bringing them to me and trying to get me to help him play with them correctly. He also started looking at his books for once. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.